we should pull over here for a minute.
A nice picture on the bridge.
Correct.
Bug. I didn't see the stop sign.
The bug?
And so it was fucking flying in.
All right, so today we're doing something different. Today we're not really going on a trail. We're going on multiple trails because we're just gonna try and find some epic campsites. So I'm here today with Steve. What's up? That's his truck there. Philly T.
What's up?
And he's got the FJ Cruiser in action. So what we're gonna do is we're just going up Old Hastings Road right now. We're gonna go check out the ghost town at Glanmire, and then we're gonna circle back and do the Tomahawk Trail to see if there's a campsite there. If there isn't, we will continue on to Egan Lake, Egan Lake, and see some trails that way. But so far, it's been great. We got all three trucks going on. It's gonna be great. We just stopped at a bridge called the Jelly Rapids. So I'll cut to some of that because it's pretty cool to check out. And yeah, we'll check back in a bit. Later. Well, Tomahawk Trail. We found a pretty spectacular campsite, as you can see. And now we're gonna set up and have some smash burgers. But yeah, the trail wasn't too bad, fairly easy to get in here. And yeah, we lucked out. No one's here. Anyway, I'll give you guys a little tour of the campsite up in a bit. Let me give you guys a little tour of what we're talking about here. Starting with our kitchen and bathroom setup, because Steve brought this, which is nice. Bug hour dinner setup, gazebo that Phil brought. And then down here, a nice little path. This is where we're all hanging out. My tent there. We got Steve's truck's tent with an awning, and then Phil T is in the blue vehicle, the FJ, and he's going to be spending the night inside. You can check out his luck. Check out his setup right here. There you go.
Damn fucking bird.
Yep. All right. So we spent the night at this lake here, which was really beautiful. And now we've decided collectively that we're gonna pack up and risk it for the biscuit and keep going to the next spot. So we're packing up now, which is why I'm a little sweaty. And we will hit the road and hopefully find an exciting spot in a couple hours. So stay tuned. Alright, so a little update. We are currently going down a trail that should lead us to a lake and a campsite. We have 2 campsites we're going to check out on this trail, so we'll see what this first one brings us, and if it turns out to be a bust, we'll head back out and try and find the second one. But none of us have been here before, so this is a true adventure. A great kind of intro overlanding weekend. All right, we'll check back in later. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, do it.
Situating yourself.
Photogenic memories.
Say hello for YouTube. All right, so we made it to the first campsite at the end of the trail, and it's pretty perfect actually. So we didn't even bother going to the second one. We got lucky twice this weekend and have the whole place to ourselves. So yeah, we're gonna hunker down. We've already got camp set up, as you can see behind me. I'll give you a tour real soon, and yeah, we'll cook some dinner. I've just been for a swim, which was really nice. But what can I say? We've gotten lucky. 2 beautiful campsites, some great trails, great weekend so far. All right, little tour of the camp. The outhouse. This is Steve's setup, which is really sick. Bed in the top, little atrium in the back. Obviously we parked the Pro Runner and the FJ. We've got our gazebo. I'm set up just back there in the Gazelle, as usual. We've got our dinner set up here. Campfire ready to go. And then another beautiful lake all to ourselves. And the water is not only really warm, but it is just absolutely clear and clean. I can't say it enough. We've been very lucky and we're just having a blast. Yes, sir.
Last one of the night. We got all. You have kindling left.
Yeah, put the kindling on. Wow, whatever. Barely see you.
Where's your bed?
All right. Well, another successful camp. Another great night by the fire. Phil's gazebo was absolutely priceless because it helped us when there was a lot of bugs. But great spot. Beautiful lake. Nice open area to set everything up in. We're just finishing our final pack. We're gonna do a double check and then we're gonna hit the road. But overall, great weekend. We got lucky with a lot of campsites and having them to ourselves, so that was good. And yeah, what's left now is to hit the trail on the way out, which will be fun. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Oh, one last thing, if you like what you're seeing, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll try and put out content more regularly. Also, let me know what you guys think about gatekeeping trails. Do you think I should let you know where we're going all the time or keep it a secret? Let me know in the comments. See ya.